Good morning. Happy breakfast time. Welcome to our Backyard Backcountry Cookout, episode 2. Today, I'm going to be making a loaded breakfast burrito.
And I'm going to be making many different types of oatmeal, because on a backpacking trip, oatmeal's normally what you're going to eat, and it gets old fast. But I have some tips and tricks to keep it fresh.
Getting started with your loaded breakfast burrito, we have a bunch of toppings here that are all interchangeable to what you prefer. First, for the setup, you can reference our episode 1 to learn how to set up your camping stove. And I'm just gonna pour some oil in to begin and let that get hot while I explain to you the rest of the ingredients. So the order of operations is that I'm putting all our ingredients that have not been cooked yet into the pan first, and then I'm gonna add our soy rizo and our beans and corn because these are both cooked and they just needed to be heated up. And then the eggs second to last because they take really the least amount of time. And then the cheese just so it gets melty at the very last minute. And I'll come back when I'm putting everything into our tortillas.
First, while making oatmeal, we're gonna boil some water. I'm using my handy dandy jet boil because it boils water hot and fast. So now we're gonna add some oatmeal to bowls. Make sure when you're buying oatmeal that you get instant oatmeal. That's the kind that you can eat right off the bat. So these little packs are great for backpacking. And then we're gonna make some fun combinations. Throw some apples in there, some blueberries in here. Maybe I'll mash up a banana into one. Keep in mind that a lot of these things like honey and peanut butter and trail mix come in smaller sizes and little packets that are great for backpacking. Now that I've added my water and mixed in my ingredients, we've got 3 bowls of very delicious oatmeal. This is what I'm gonna eat right now.
Thanks for watching this week's episode.
And join us next week for 7 ways to use a tortilla.